There she is. They finally found the bird seed there. I got some down there, but they ain't seen that one yet. But they saw that one. I see the red cardinal over there. He's coming. Here they come. Where'd he go? I saw her, but I don't know where he went. You get a regular crowd. They'll come. Oh, okay, there she is. She gets it and takes off. Comes and gets it and takes off. Comes and gets it and takes off. Okay, oh, she's back again. There she goes. Finally, after 2 days, I knew they'd find it. They're up there. Oh, there's a little finch. Gets one. Up there on the tree to go eat it. You see it there. Okay. There's another one over on the birdhouse. See them? Here they come in the pomegranate bush. Here they come. Oh, yes. The others are watching from a distance. I see them over behind the tree. They're behind the trees. The bigger birds aren't sure yet. They keep watching the little ones. Uh-oh, here comes the blackbird. Oh, the blackbird found it. Okay. Getting with each other. There's food down there. There's food down there. Okay. There she is. There she is. Pear tree. Seed down there, I think. Yep, there's seed down there. Go ahead and get that. She figured it out.